What is up, guys? It is TheIncredibleOx. My name is Adrian, and welcome to the first video I am recording on my new PC. Today, I am going to show you something very simple on how to personalize your background. As you can see, I have a Demon Slayer background. Don't make fun of me. I like Demon Slayer. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to show you how to personalize your lock screen and your desktop. So let's get started right away. So you want to get into the personalization settings, and there are two ways to do this. The first way is obviously to right click right on the wallpaper, and then as you can see at the bottom, you can see personalization. So let's press that, and then it launches the settings app. The other way is to just go into the settings app, like you can go search for the settings app. There's the settings app right there. So I am gonna open it. And you can see right there personalization. So you want to go into the personalization settings. There we go. And as you can see right here, if you want to personalize your desktop wallpaper, you can literally see it right here. You can choose from each and every one. Let's see the Windows one. As you can see, my wallpaper changes in real time. This is an umbrella one. This was the wallpaper that I had when I finished setting up my PC. Or you can go here and it says browse. Now when you press that button, it launches your file explorer, and then you can look for a picture that you saved onto your desktop, and you can press that file and then press open, and then you will have that picture as your desktop wallpaper. And this is mine. And you can also change the colors of your taskbar. It's really cool. Personally, I don't know like how this works. I mean, I haven't had Windows for a while. I used to have a computer, but then it got taken away because, I mean, someone needed it. And then how to change your lock screen wallpaper is literally right here. I have a picture of an Alberta lake, and because it is really beautiful. So here are the choices, except for this one right here because I downloaded a picture. Anyways, here is the picture I had on my old laptop that I used to have not long ago. Actually, it was like last year. This one. Yeah, you can just tap on the, or not tap, but click on the picture you want, or press browse. Once again, you can look for a picture on your desktop that you want to make your lock screen picture. And if you're wondering on how to download a picture, I'll show you right now. It's very simple. So let's launch the browser. Say you really like dogs, okay? You can just search a picture of dogs. And I'm holding both my microphone and my mouse, so yeah. So we can go to the images tab, and then you can just download any picture. I'll download this one right here. That is if it opens. There we go. And then right click on it, okay? And then you want to go to save image as. I'm looking for the there it is. Save image as. You can also rename the file. So I'll name it dog, and then you can press enter or press open, and then it's saved. And then you can close out of this window and then go right back to the settings app. Did I close the whole app? Anyways, you can go back to the settings app. I'm sorry, I'm holding both my mic and my mouse, so it's taking a little, because I mean, holding, you know, a mic and a mouse with a keyboard on your lap is a little bit weird to me. So you can go to the personalization. Um, and then you go to the lock screen. Now, my computer isn't this slow. Sometimes I have to tap it, click it twice, because, I don't know. It's just weird. You can press browse, and then opens your file explorer. As you can see, there's the file I saved, and then you can press open, or like that button, and then right there is your lock screen picture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, like and leave a comment and subscribe, and press the post notifications button so you know when I post a new video. And this has been TheIncredibleOx, and I will see you guys in another video. Peace.